Commonwealth versus Joshua Bryant, 26 CR 0031 and 24 CR 00103. Are you Joshua Bryant?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Were you
Morning.
born in 1986?
Yes,
Last four digits, social security number 6756.
yes, sir.
We're here for a pretrial conference on 0031 and a probation revocation on 000103. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
We have a felony plea.
A motion's been tendered, sir, says you wish to enter plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes,
Are you the same person named in these two criminal actions?
yes, sir.
Is your judgment impaired today in any way?
No, sir.
Have you discussed the charges with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes, sir.
Have you reviewed the evidence the Commonwealth has against you? You believe you're fully informed about your case?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under the Kentucky and United States Constitution. Before I can accept a plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. I'm going to go over the rights with you, and then you can tell me whether you understand them. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Right to speed trial by jury, right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial, right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you, right to produce evidence, right to call witnesses in your favor, right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, and a right to acquire the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of the charge against you. Understand that by entering a guilty plea, they can give up those rights. You understand that?
Yes,
I
sir.
may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply any sentence that's within the range provided below. I don't have to accept it prior to accepting any recommendation. I'll wait a pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation and parole. In the event that I do not accept the Commonwealth's recommendation and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea and go to trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You'll step to your left a little bit here. Ms. Gordon Anderson, what is your the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. Upon a plea of guilty to trafficking in a controlled substance, first degree, first degree, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 5 years. Upon a plea of guilty to possession of a handgun by a convicted felon, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 5 years. The two 5-year sentences shall run concurrently for a total of 5 years to serve. The defendant shall stipulate to the revocation of Monroe Indictment Number 24 CR 103. This 5-year sentence shall run consecutively with Monroe Indictment Number 24 CR 103. The defendant shall forfeit the Ruger 22 cal mag with serial number 363-39268 to the Monroe County Sheriff's Department and be disposed of in accordance with the laws of the Commonwealth of Kentucky. The Commonwealth opposes probation and shock probation. The defendant shall receive credit for any time served. And the defendant agrees to have any and all evidence of the above style case forfeited and destroyed in a manner that's consistent with the laws of the Commonwealth and the holding agency.
Is that your understanding of the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment?
Yes, sir.
Stipulations voluntarily made on the violation, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Doing so your own free will?
Yes,
And
sir.
your constitutional rights, so explain to us still your desire to give up those rights and allow the court to fix the punishment. You understand that after entering this plea, any future conviction could be enhanced on the persistent felony offender law. You know, that's your signature. You have the original document there. That's your signature on there.
Yes, Your Honor, it's my signature.
It's his signature on there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I'll accept the plea order pre-sentence investigation report and schedule sentencing on June the 18th. What are the court costs involved? $215. I'm going to waive the court costs considering the length of the sentence, okay?
Sure, if I may, since he's stipulating to the 10 years and is being revoked today and will be a state inmate, we are just requesting to waive the PSI.
I can't do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, if he was already a state inmate and had been incarcerated for a while,
Yes, Your Honor.
he probably wouldn't, it won't affect him when he's moved anyway, then, you know, they won't move him out of there.
Be back since 18.
Good morning. Matthew Burkhead. Commonwealth versus Matthew Burkhead. Good morning. Are you Matthew Burkhead?
Yes, sir.
This is 21 CR 00110, Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Matthew Burkhead. Mr. Burkhead, were you born in 1993?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 6665.
Yes, sir.
You're on a probation revocation. What's the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, we've issued a subpoena to the officer in Hardin County, Pennsylvania, but we're trying to contact his family because he's gone online, so we just passed this to me, so we can see if he's pleasant. This is a case where Mr. Burkhead got a 10-year sentence here. He had a new possession case in Hardin County. I think he's been indicted on it now.
That's good, sir.
So, in court, he wanted to hear, so I'm kind of lining the officer up for it.
Is it gonna be today, you say?
Well, I'll know something in a few minutes.
Okay.
Because we issued a subpoena. For
Okay.
some reason, he's not online or we don't
Okay.
hear from him.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Let's take him back and we'll call him back out. Commonwealth versus Justin Gillespie, 26 CR 0041 and 26 CR 0023. Mr. Hammonds, were you born in 2000?
Yes, Your Honor.
Last four digits, social security number 0941. You're here for an arraignment. Thank you very much. You have a right to remain silent. You can step away and talk to your counsel. If you want the grand jury of Monroe County to turn an indictment charging you with burglary in a third degree and also theft, unlawful taking of disposition. You understand what those charges are?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Counselor, you acknowledge the identity of client received indictment, waive formal reading and arraignment, enter plea not guilty, reserving all pretrial motions.
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
You also have a pretrial conference on 26 CR 0023. You want a negotiation day, Mr. Stockton, on
Yes,
these
on
two?
June the 5th at 9.
June the 5th at 9 a.m. And the next court date is June the 18th. Both of those are a condition of your bond, if you make your bond, okay? Thank you very much. Curtis Hurrigan. Curtis Hurrigan. Elmo versus Curtis Hurrigan, 26 CR 00040. Are you Curtis Hurrigan?
Yeah.
Good morning. Were you born in 1955? 1955?
Yep.
Okay, and the last four digits, social security number 8106.
Yes, sir.
You're here for a pretrial conference. What do we have?
We have a felony plea, Your Honor.
Okay. Sir, a motion has been tendered that says you wish to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
Sir.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same person that was just identified in 26 CR 00040? Is your judgment impaired today in any way?
No, sir.
Have you discussed this matter with your attorney? Are you satisfied with her advice?
Yes.
Have you viewed the evidence Commonwealth has against you? Believe you're fully informed about your case? You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under the Kentucky United States Constitution. Before I can accept a plea of guilty, I need to know that you fully understand those rights. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Your right to speak trial by jury, the right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you, right to produce evidence, right to call witnesses in your favor, have process issued to compel their attendance. You have a right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, and right to require the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of charges. Don't you understand that by entering a guilty plea, you give up all those rights? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but on the applying range of sentence provided by law, I don't have to accept the recommendation. Prior to accepting your recommendation, I will wait a pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation parole. In the event after reviewing that, I decide not to accept the recommendation and impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea for the trial. You understand that? Okay, you'll step to the left just a little bit here, sir. Step to the left.
I'm sorry.
She just needs to get to the microphone, okay? Ms. Gordon Anderson, go ahead.
Upon a plea of guilty to assault third degree, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 3 years, serve 90 days in jail with the balance probated for 3 years, supervised. The defendant shall obtain anger management counseling and complete all counseling sessions. The defendant shall have no contact with the Monroe County Hospital unless he needs emergency care. The defendant shall receive credit for time served. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above style case disposed of in a manner that's consistent with the laws of the Commonwealth and the holding agency.
Tell me a little bit about what happened here, will you?
He was at the hospital and he struck a nurse, punched her in the mouth. And then I think it was an ER visit, and this is, we consulted with the hospital, and this is the minimum jail time, and I think it's appropriate myself.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts of charge in the indictment?
You have to say the left.
Yes, sir.
Knowing your constitutional rights, as I've explained it to you, is it still your desire to give up those rights, enter a plea of guilty to charges and allow the court to fix your punishment within the range permitted by law? Is that correct?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand, any guilty plea, future convictions can be enhanced as far as penalty and persistent.
I'm guilty because I did do it.
Is this signature, your signature?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept the agreement, order pre-sentence investigation board and schedule sentencing on June 18th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. And